Ever wonder what could make your love life steamier than a hot cup of joe? How about that same cup of joe but with a twist? Welcome to a unique blend of coffee, garlic, and honey, a trifecta that promises to enhance your romantic rendezvous. First, let's delve into the benefits. Coffee, the world's favorite wake-up call, is more than just caffeine. It contains compounds that increase dopamine levels in your brain, the hormone associated with pleasure and reward. It's like being in love, but without the heartbreak songs. Then there's garlic. Yes, garlic, the same ingredient that keeps vampires at bay. It's loaded with allicin, which increases blood flow. A little extra circulation never hurt anyone, especially when it comes to matters of the heart and other areas. But remember, too much garlic might ward off more than just vampires, so use it sparingly. And finally, honey. Sweet, smooth honey. Cleopatra's beauty secret and Winnie the Pooh's favorite snack. Honey is packed with vitamins and minerals. It also has nitric oxide, a compound that's released during arousal. So it's like a little nudge from Mother Nature herself. Now, on to the preparation. Brew your coffee as you normally would. Remember, the stronger the coffee, the stronger well, you get the gist. Next, crush a clove of garlic. Make sure to let it sit for a few minutes to activate the allicin. Mix it into your coffee, then add a spoonful of honey to sweeten the deal. And voila! You've got yourself a love potion that would make even Aphrodite blush. So, to sum it up, coffee, garlic, and honey. A combination that's sure to enhance your romantic escapades. It's a wake-up call, a blood flow booster, and a sweet treat all in one. But remember, it's not just about the brew. It's about the connection, the chemistry, the spark. And when you have all of that, well, you won't need any coffee to keep you up at night.